my God. Welcome one more time again, alright? So today we're gonna do some vegan style, alright? Oh my God. Yeah, let's go.
Shopping for the items. Link in description to book.
Oh my God, alright. So yeah, we're at our location here at Westport in Montego Bay, okay? Yeah man, we're gonna do some vegan food, right? Alright. So let's go, people. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the best personal chef service in Montego Bay, alright? Oh my God. Yeah. So we're gonna put a piece of this, okay? Oh my God. So see?
Yes!
Oh my God! Yeah, see that? Nice elevator. So you see me telling people, we're not going to foreign. We're on the right hand Jamaica. On the right, you see the right on 54. Oh my God, look at this elevator. Tell me, I don't like it. Oh, she create the elevator and yeah. So this I think we have various types of elevator here on our beautiful island of Jamaica. I'm not getting no big old space, but remember to like, share and subscribe. Oh my God. Yeah, so what is that right now, alright? I want to get you. Okay. So right now, we're looking some pods to get this started, okay? Oh my God.
Blending chopped tomatoes with olive oil. Staining tomato juices. Paste. Oh my God. Tomato juices, bay leaf, thyme, tomato paste. Making the enchilada sauce. Rice ready to be added. Those juice to the paste. Mexican rice simmering down. Cooking spinach for my enchilada filling. Constantly stirring while cooking. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Shredded cheddar cheese. Cook spinach with sweet corn. Flour tortilla shells. Enchilada sauce. Spreading enchilada sauce in baking dish. Adding little sauce to tortilla shells. Time for filling. Adding spinach. Shredded cheese. Time for rolling. Roll tortilla shells with fillings and pack them neatly together. I'm only using 1 pack of tortillas shells. Only cooking for 1 vegan and to vegetarians. All the way from India. Rolling and packing. Oven warming while I am rolling. For inquiries, send me an email. Drop some comments. Mexican cuisine for lunch. Pack and ready. Time to add enchilada sauce. Not letting sauce touch the edges. Edges will be crunchy after baking. Oh my God, looks so delicious. Vegetarian enchilada. Adding shredded cheddar cheese. Oh my God, more cheese. Time to bake. Bake for 20 minutes. Mexican rice ready.
Oh my God. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, for that Mexican rice. guys. Oh my god! Ready, alright, ready.
Vegetarian enchilada. Vegetarian enchilada. Mexican rice.
Oh my god. Lunch is ready. Yay!